Today we will discuss numericals on natural frequency in vibration engineering. The question is, find the natural frequency of the system shown in figure. Given K1 is equal to K2 is equal to 1500 Newton per meter and K3 is equal to 2000 Newton per meter. M is equal to 5 kg. The diagram is given in which K1 and K2 are parallel and 5 kg weight is connected, and next K3 downward is working. In this, K1, K2, K3 and M is given. Next, we know that if the stiffness K1 and K2 which are in parallel, then the net K equivalent will be K1 plus K2 and 5 kg is connected, and stiffness of spring K3 which is downward. Now K1 plus K2 and K3 are also in parallel, then the net stiffness K equivalent will be K1 plus K2 plus K3. So we can say then net K equivalent is 1500 plus 1500 plus 2000 means net 5000 Newton per meter, means K equivalent will be 5000 Newton per meter. We have given M 5 kg and net K equivalent is 5000 Newton per meter. We know that natural frequency, the formula of natural frequency omega n is equal to root k by m by putting the value of k and m. Value of k is 5000 Newton per meter, m is equal to 5 kg, then we find the value 31.62 radian per second. We have to find natural frequency Fn. The relation between Fn and omega n is equal to omega n is equal to 2 pi Fn, where Fn is equal to omega n by 2 pi. Value of omega n 1000 root of 1000 upon 2 pi is equal to 5.03 Hertz. That is our final answer. Next question is, a spring mass system having stiffness K1 and mass M1 has a natural frequency F1. K1 M1 has natural frequency F1. Calculate the value of K2. Another spring which when connected to K1 in parallel increases the frequency by 30%. If another spring K2 which is connected to K1, then the frequency will be increases 30%. Then we have to find stiffness K2. We know that frequency is equal to K by M. Then the first frequency F1 is equal to root K1 by M1. When another spring is connected to K1 in parallel, then net stiffness of spring K1 and K2, that is K equivalent, will be K1 plus K2. According to the question, F2 will be 130 by 100 of F1 because that is increased by 30% in frequency F2. Then net frequency f2, we know that frequency f is equal to k by m, that net k, k1 plus k2, and mass m1, that is f2 is equal to root k1 plus k2 divided by m1. From here f1 by f2 is equal to 1 by 1.3. Value of f1, that is root k1 by m1, and value of f2, that is k1 plus k2 divided by m1, from where that is k1 by m1 into m1 by k1 plus k2, the root of this. Then f1, the value of f1 is equal to 1, f2, that is increased by 30%, that is 1.3, is equal to k1 by k1 plus k2, from where by square root of this equation, by squaring of this equation, 1.69 k1 is equal to k1 plus k2, where the value of k2 is equal to 1.69 k1 minus k1, that is goes to left side. K2 is equal to 0.69 of k1 is our final answer. Thank you.